Today, we're making spell packets. When you're making your spell packets, make sure you read the rule book for the amount of bird seed you need for your spell packet. It is for safety and also why bird seed, because when it bursts open, the wild animals have something to eat and it's good for the environment. Things you need: cloth. Make sure you have some thin fabric for your spell packet. It's easy to sew and it's easy to throw, especially with the advanced techniques I'm going to show you. About 6 inches of cloth, or 400 meters of cloth, assuming the amount of bird seed is about the size of a can of pop. The top. Cloth scissors. Bird seed. The recommended amount of bird seed in your rule book. Needle and thread. It is highly recommended to use a needle and thread. You could use biodegradable string, but the needle and thread, make sure your spell packet is shut tight. Another alternative, a possible box cutter. Alright, I highly recommend to have some spell packets of different colors to definitely not to blend in with the environment you are playing in. Like for white during the winter is definitely really bad, but canary yellow during the winter is highly recommended. I highly recommend white for the majority of all the seasons because you can have a UV flashlight or torch shine for when you are battling in the dark and you're trying to retrieve spell packets, and it will be very visible with that kind of torch or flashlight. Having a white spell packet in a very dark situation really comes in handy when you have a UV flashlight. And here's the canary yellow packet. Pour the bird seed right in the center. And take the corners. Put them all together. It's very important to have room for the spell packet to be squished. When it's thrown, impact must be dispersed, or you're going to have a hard projectile. It is quite painful. I had one of those tightly condensed spell packets to my eye. It wasn't pleasant. Then you could take string, wrap it around, or sew it. When sewing a spell packet, make sure you know where your edges are. Then proceed from there. When it's all done, this is how it will turn out. If you liked this video of how to make a spell packet, make sure you do the thumbs up, subscribe, then ring the battle bell, so you will be notified when a new video will be posted. And remember, more importantly than that, stay hydrated.